Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Blog. So student, today our question is if a to the power square root of 5 minus square root of 2 whole to the power square root of 5 plus square root of 2 is equal to 64, then find the value of a. So student, today I am telling you how to find the value of a from this equation. So my dear student, our given algebraic equation is a to the power square root of 5 minus square root of 2 whole to the power square root of 5 plus square root of 2 is equal to 64. So student, to find the value of a from this equation, so first of all we have to simplify the left hand side of this equation. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, we have to apply the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side of this equation a to the power square root of 5 minus square root of 2 times square root of 5 plus square root of 2 is equal to, on the right hand side again you have to write 64. So student, on the left hand side of this equation, to simplify the power of a, we have to apply the formula a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side a to the power square root of 5 whole to the power 2 minus square root of 2 whole to the power 2 is equal to, on the right hand side again you have to write 64. So student, after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation a to the power, so in the place of power we have to write 5 minus 2. So student, we know that square root of 5 whole to the power 2, that is 5, and square root of 2 whole to the power 2, that is 2. So in the place of power we can write 5 minus 2 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 64. So after that student, we can write from the left hand side a to the power 3 is equal to, so student, to find the value of a from these equations, so on the right hand side of this equation we have to write the cubic form of 64. So student, we know that 64 is equal to 4 times 4 times 4, okay, that is 4 to the power 3. So 4 to the power 3 is the cubic form of 64. So now we have to write on the right hand side 4 to the power 3. So student, to find the value of a from this equation, so we have to apply the formula a to the power m is equal to b to the power m, implies that a is equal to b. In this equation, in the place of power both are same, so we have to cancel the power and we have to write the base only, okay. So according to this formula we can write from this equation a is equal to 4. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.